Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's yet another day for us to come and trade. It's actually 6:30 a.m. here in West Africa, and we're still inside the Asian session. So that's the advantage of being in West Africa. Actually, you'll be able to get all the trading sessions, like if you can utilize them. Actually, I wake up to pray by like 5 o'clock, so automatically I'm still able to catch the Asian session, get back to sleep, wake up and trade London session, probably get busy, go to the gym, do some of my things, then finally get back in the evening to trade the New York session. So it's actually an advantage, but then it can also be a disadvantage because you can get greedy, want to catch every trade, you get it. So it has its advantages and disadvantages. So basically, what I was seeing here on gold was quite simple. There's no serious movement, but we are still in a consolidation phase. As you can see, there's been no much movement. This is a protected high. Okay, these are my instruments that I use. But then let me hide them. Okay. So this is a protected high, as you can see it. That's 3,440. And we have a protected low also, which is this. All everything you see below here is liquidity. So and we also have a pool of liquidity here above this price. So what market is actually doing is it's manipulating, it's accumulating, sorry, it's accumulating to make a manipulation move, which we can see like something like this here. It's accumulating for the manipulation, probably down, to take out this. So the thing is, sometimes market reacts to fair value gaps, other blocks. So for instance, here you can see this reaction was from a 4 hour fair value gap. And by mere looking at it, it's almost like the consequent encroachment of the gap. That's the half point of the gap. Let's see. Once I press all these other instruments to get back, but then we'll do it on an XNES chart. I just want to break down my point of view and what I think the market would do or where the market is going. So I've been anticipating this sell. I saw it on the 15 minutes time frame, and that was why I started the recording quite early this time around because I would love to see this sweep. Yeah, so we get a confirmation here and target our sweep here. That's because I've seen a double tap. This is all accumulation. You can see these zones from here to here. We only have markets breaking in and out of it. See, one, then two, then three. So we want this to take out this low, take out this low, sweep this, and head for this. Probably the accumulation is not yet done, but then this is okay. The accumulation is this. We have this fair value gap here. It might not go smooth, but then that's what I want to see. Something like this. Then booyah. That's what I want to see. So this can be an early trade actually, and that will be us being done for the day. Okay, I have a better chance. Eat some banana, people. It's early in the morning. I'm not marking this. I'm marking this. This is a fair value gap. block, order block. Okay, this or this might be the order block, any of the two. Ooh, I'm so damned I missed this just before I switch on the laptop. It was putting next trade, next trade. Mm-mm. So we still have till the rest of the day. I still have my gym to head to in like an hour time. So we're practically just watching the market. So some of the lines you see me draw, let me draw some of them on this blank chart. This is a fair value gap, don't forget. This is an OB. That was why we marked it. What I'm marking here is called the new day opening gaps. These are gaps that mostly or always open by, they close by 4:59 and open by 6 o'clock Eastern time. So check your time zone and change this to UTC minus 4. That'll automatically US. Okay, yeah, that's the New York time. So it will be easy for you to like be trading in the New York time zone. So this is the close, and this was the previous day. Low, and this the high. Most of the trades I'll be taking are based on ICT concepts, and yeah, exactly, just mostly ICT concepts. These are his strategies, and I'm putting them into use, into, let me get to learn what the guy is doing. He's a master. So, so this is a gap, as you can see. We had a reaction inside of it. One, two, boom. This was the settling price to inside of it. So you get to know the uses of these gaps. Then this trade is going. You know what I'm drawing? This is a fair value gap, a 5 minute fair value gap. I saw a reaction of it, so I had to just, and you can see that sharp reaction. See, this high reacted off it. So without piercing the consequent encroachment, we'd have to see whether it's a manipulation for this continuation. Since we've missed the sell, would get a confirmation, or if possible, okay, there might be this sweep, order block, and this is a fair value gap below it here, below the gap. So I don't think the gap will be invalidated again. Aside this one, this is the low of the day. This is the low of the day, and this is the high of the day. So you can see there are a lot of opportunities. We'll wait for London session to get a London low to sweep, so to create a London high or a London low to sweep. So there are multiple setups. We don't have to rush any setup. You just chill. The benefits of trading in the morning is that your head is mostly calm, nothing serious on your head, just observing and chilling. We can get a continuation here around here, but there's a gap here that has to be filled. So just be chill. Just wait for your model. If there will be a sweep, then maybe this candle might end up coming over here to sell, or at least top of this gap, unless they want to do a CB here. Mm. So this is just a smaller POI on the higher time frame. You can see how big the market is. So you can have POIs, keep following the market. It's like a story actually. The better you understand the story, the you know, I don't know how you get it, but then the better the story, the better you enjoy the story. So it's how you understand the story. That's the most important thing. So this sell is valid actually for the main time. And if the time here, this is 10 minutes to a new candle, a 1 hour candle. So it's better you wait for the 1 hour, the next candle to pop up. Then you find an entry. We still have space here. Two void gaps here. More reason. So this fair value gap is still valid too. Yep, our OB just got hit on that block. You can see. So wait for the 10 minutes to see the reaction here. Then maybe catch a retracement here and that's it. Or wait for the retracement to come here, then sweep. Either ways we get a confirmation. So it seems to be valid, but then we're waiting for the next candle first. We'll get a entry, hopefully. 30 minutes. Let's see what Nasdaq has for us today. Okay. You want it to go lower actually. I was thinking to use this point or this, but then this is our refined point of view. This is the higher time frame point of view. Unless the government intervenes and before you know it, we are up there back again. But I would love to see it sell. And it's the point of view that is still in place. So let's see what's happening. This would have been a sweet time to be honest this Wednesday. Oh, let's wait for this and see. I have different charts of the same pair. So you see, this was the last low, this London low, London high, and Asia continued by. Let's extend this because it will be used as a reference. Just like this fair value gap was used. Yeah, okay, it was another block on a smaller time frame, and it's a fair value gap here. So this is a zone probably that might be used. Maybe it has a higher chance than this 1 hour gap, but we'll see. You might be looking for sales, and the market will just give you a confirmation for a small retracement, but then the market is still bullish. So yeah, this is the buy, and I guess the candle has been formed, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, we need 5 more minutes. So this our other block is not invalidated yet, so we can still catch the retracement probably. In 5 minutes and a new candle to get the buyers. I want you to notice something. See this place? It's just something I just noticed now. Am I seeing things? But this is an imbalance. See this one. You can see the bodies are not touching each other. This zone. So let's watch. I don't want to mark it inside another box again. So it's just a point of reference. Here to here. There's another block here. So let's expect a retracement probably. A new candle up to this level. That's on the 1 hour candle, on the 1 hour time frame. So that to cover exactly. So maybe we get an open here. We get the candle to wick up to here. It's our other block was valid actually. This trade. So on the next 1 hour candle, we'll be looking for a sell, selling model to present itself. This was the main trade to get. I don't expect the price to be a continuation to sweep the high. They can prove me wrong, baby. Yeah, I like to see a rejection. Come on now. So let's get to our website where we trade. I'm gonna cut this part, bro. As you can see, this is the $33 account. Real $33. and it's the $20 challenge. Let me return you guys back. This is our third trade, and that was yesterday. We broke even on Nasdaq, and it was a BE. So we are still on $33, as you can see. So we are back here. Yeah, but then this is a manipulation. I want to see him still go up small. Okay, gold is in it. If I was available, maybe I was taking this trade also. It was a fair value gap. Okay, I told you guys that was the gap. You can see the gap. Today's gap. Sometimes there are gaps that it can be used multiple times. See, one, two, three, as a continuation, four. See, this was it again. Five. This is simple one to three. Six, still being used. Seven, eight, and today's gap was opened here also, and it was used again nine. So yeah, this was our point of view. This is my selling opportunity. Now that's what I'm aiming for. Like I said, I want to see a closure of this candle, and this is it. So I hope I get to be filled. See, the market is in a buying spree. What are we risking? 20%. Our take profit is 20%, 60%, or 50%. So it's a simple one to three. Like we do it all the time, baby. And this is the zone also. Ah, this zone. Let me edit my SL and TP. Wow, would have been in by now. Pam, 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 pam. The risk was outrageous. Mm-mm. We want a continuation, so what's the next? Let me return this to this. Mhm. Where is it again? Mhm. So these are testing waters. Here, Recon lows, Recon highs. I see where the market is now. We're respecting this one. So it's actually not right, not advisable to go against a trend unless we see a confirmation. So this is a hypothetical case that wanted to enter the trade, and we decided to manage it because we need more confirmation before we just hop on it. Marketers and speculators are doing what they feel, and we also want to do what we feel is right. So that's our zone, right? So we want to see what's going to happen here, baby. This is the testing waters. That would have been an SL if not managed. So trading the 1 minute is actually pretty simple because you just know what you're looking for, and that's it. This other block was validated. This is a gap. We have something here. Just keep looking for shit. Loudly gone, we have something like this to be filled. Okay, this can be accumulation, manipulation, then it's gonna distribute. If if that's the case, then we'll not treat the London session because this is the end of Asian session. Yep, and almost the beginning of London. London, baby, yeah. Asians are done. Tokyo is done, baby. This is the low. Don't like to draw too many lines. This is the easiest way to find your highs and lows. I don't know who has the indicator, but it's trading sessions and it's free on TradingView, so you can just pick yours and go. So yeah, our POI is being validated to an extent. We don't know whether we're gonna be sweeping this high and creating a London, because we mostly create a London low and it can be this fair value gap to remove this high. That's the POI actually, because this is a 70% retracement if you use your Fibonacci. So if this high is taken out, yeah, we want a retracement down to this zone for continuation. Simple. It's if or else. If this, then that. Or you get if or else. I don't have any accent. I'm speaking based on how I feel. And this is just something I'm new to. So with time, we'll probably get better. That's one. And the content would be more interesting. But for now, it's just trading. And I'm trying to, document my journey to actually show people how this is possible. When you tune to the right mindset, do the right things, have faith in God. Because without God, without Allah, so makes you think about life, basically. Makes you want to be a better person. You see the creatures of God, you see how money can be made in a minute and lost in a minute also. So there are some things we give thanks to value. Not everything has to do with money. Humility matters. Like it will take you all know what I'm talking about. This is what we are looking for. Confirmation. Once see confirmation, let's say that this place will be swept or not. Still put something. Here we can give something. Uh, Trading view. Maybe what's your new next one? Expense. Which one is this now? So this is the London session, definitely starting. Now spike might happen. it's not yet it's not yet the start of London, so it's way scary. This what intraday. Mm. For those bullish, we have nothing to do with the market right now. It's either this high is taken out and we'll go for a retracement from here up, or this high is taken out and we'll go for the retracement down here. So like this, we are just chill, you know, just doing nothing. Let me plug my mouse, probably to be better. Okay, it's going. Press the like button at least if you're enjoying what man is doing. And if trading with your phone makes you to feel like you're gambling, because trading with my phone has cost me more than I know, and I decided, since I found my edge better on my system, on the computer or on a pad, I decided to delete all my trading instruments on my phone. If I'm not at home to trade, then I'm not trading. That's just it. So it just traps the cells and it's taking them out. You can see the manipulation. This is pre-London, so we don't expect it to, and I'll be heading to the gym anytime soon, in 20 minutes time. So I'm gonna leave a pending order and head to the gym. But I want to see the reaction first. Okay, we're heading to the top. This previous side, this Asian side, being taken out. This is this area. London has started. In it, London will start by 7 a.m. No, maybe 7:30. Yeah. Okay. So the high is being attacked. Liquidity to be grabbed. This is liquidity and this is the shelter. So wow, it's better to see some things on a bigger point of view actually. This is another block. So this is the original high. Yeah, this is just liquidity. Like I said, it's too equal. So we want to see a break of this. Most maybe a break of this. Yeah, this would be a better. It probably be a retracement because the bulls are here. So and with the uncertainty happening, you know, you use fundamental news for most of this, most of what's actually happening. So so we missed two setups live, but that's good. That's good. That shows patience and just waiting for your setup actually. This sell and this buy. So you can see what you can actually get in Asian session most of the smaller time frame scalps. So yeah, so you can see the reaction. The high has not been taken out yet, but this high has been taken out. So let me check something. Baby, come give me something. Hmm. As you can see, I've put in my position and I've locked it in. That's a gap. So let's see if we can get filled in. We are risking 20%. Remember, what? This is going to take this out. Use liquidity. I'm telling you. Low margin. Damn, bro. This red zone. I don't even know. Would have been in the trade probably. High margin period. Well, we'll find another trade on Nasdaq. So this is the high. This high margin, but just this is even darker than this one. This was our proposed entry. And this was our SL. I have something stuck in my teeth. Gotta go to the dentist for a little bit of cheeks. So the POIs are different. We didn't get in this trade and